Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn about chapter 2, which is working in Microsoft Office Word 2019. In this we are going to learn about how to copy the text, how to select the text and how to move the text from one place to another, and how to check the spellings of the text when we are making a long document, and after this how to save the document, close the document, and how to take the printout of that document.
So students, now I will tell you how to select a text. For this, first you have to open the MS Word. So you can type it here and open MS Word. I have already opened for you. So first of all, you have to keep your cursor on the left side of the text. Now I have keep my cursor on the left side of the text. Now you have to hold the left click and drag your mouse. Now see, whole text is selected. You can also use a shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus A. So in this way you can select your text. Now I want to move my text from one place to another place. So what I will do is I will select my text again and I will keep my cursor on the left side of the text, and I will hold the left click and drag it. I will do where I want to stop. I want to select only two words, so I have selected only two words, and then there I have released the left click. Now don't stop is selected. Now what I will do is I will press my right click and then use the option cut. Now when I have clicked on the right click, there are some options coming like cut, copy, paste option. So I will click on the cut. Now it is cutted from the text. Now I will place my cursor on the right hand side and then press the enter key. Now my cursor is in the next line. Now I will again press the right click and there is option coming paste options. So I will click on that, and when I click on that, don't stop will come in the next line. So in this way I have moved my text from one place to another. In moving, there will not be a copy of the text, it is just moved from one place to another place. Now the next operation is copying a text. For that you have to copy the text from one place to another. Now there will be two lines written same. Okay, so first I will select it. I will selecting the text. I have placed my cursor on the left hand side of the text. Now I will press my left click and drag it. Now the text is selected. Now I will right click on it and copy the text. There are some options coming when I right click, cut, copy, paste. So I will copy the text. Now I will press the left click again and then press the enter key. Now I will press again right click, and there are some options coming in which third option is paste. I will click on the paste and the text is copied. Now see, there are two lines which are same. So in this way we can copy the text. Suppose I am writing a long document. While writing a long document, I do some spelling mistakes. Then how to check the spelling mistakes? If you want to go through the paper, it will take a long time. So I am writing a line and in which I am doing some spelling mistakes. So after writing this line, there is a red wavy line which tells you there is a spelling error. So I am writing a line which has some spelling mistakes, and when I have some spelling mistakes, it will show me a red wavy line. To correct the spelling mistakes, what I have to do is, see on the screen, I have written videos provide a powerful point. So I have written the spelling by choice, it is wrong. So I want to correct it. So what I will do is I will press the right click and it will show me some options to correct the spelling. So I will click on the option videos. Now see, the red wavy line is gone and my spelling is corrected, and I can write other text also. Suppose I want to write check spellings. Okay, after that I want to write something more, features of MS Word. I am writing by choice. I am writing wrong, so that I can show you how to do the check spellings. Now there is a shortcut key also. There is a F7 key in the first row of the keys, and I can press that key. Then it will show me how many spelling mistakes are there and how can you correct it. So I am pressing the F7 key. Now see, it is showing spelling is wrong here. F is wrong. It is showing in the suggestion what is the correct spelling. I can change it. See, now there is features written on the screen which is wrong, and it is giving us the suggestion features are there, so I can change it. Now there is a grammatical error which is shown by green text, videos provide, and you can correct it by choosing the suggestion change. So now all the spelling and grammar is checked and my line is correct. So in this way we can change the wrong spellings from the document, from the whole document. But be remember that if there is a Hindi name, it will always show a red wavy line which we cannot correct it. It can correct only the English word. For example, if I write Ram here, it will show a red wavy line and which I cannot correct. Okay, because Ram is a Hindi word. Or I can write Sham. Sham is also a Hindi word, so it is showing a red wavy line on it which I cannot correct because Sham is a Hindi word which I have written in English. So now I will tell you how to use the undo and redo command. Suppose by mistake I have written Ram and Shyam and I don't want them. So what I will do is I will press the undo button which is on the quick exit toolbar. So I have pressed the undo button. See, Ram and Shyam is gone. Or I can use a space bar key. Now after 2 minutes I thought, no, I want this. So what I will do is I will redo that. Okay, then the text will appear. For example, I want this text to be in purple color, so I will change it to purple. Okay, now it is done to with purple. Now after a point I thought no, black was fine, so I will undo that. It is black only. After 2 minutes after editing I thought no, purple was very fine, so I will redo it. See, again the text is purple. Now when you're done with your document, you have to save your document. So how to save your document? Click on the file tab. There is option coming save. So when I click on save, a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you have to choose a location where you want to save the document. For example, documents is coming here. When I save the document, it will be shown in the documents. I can save it in desktop. Then my document will be on the desktop. If I want to save in the new volume D, I have to select this and it is saved in the new volume D. So I want to select it on the documents. So I will now give it a name. So I will give it a class 4th lab activity. I have written in the file name. I will save it. See, document 1 is changed now. Now the name is coming class 4 lab activity. This means my document is saved now. Now how to open a saved file? So first I will click on the close button and then I will again open Word, a fresh document. This is the way you can open a fresh document. See, document 1 is coming. Now what I will do is I will click on file tab and then open option. Now I have to go to the location where I have saved the documents. So my location is documents. Now here see class 4 lab activity is coming. I have to select this and then open. See, my document is open. Now there are two ways to close a document. First is to press this close button or go to file and exit. See, Word is closed. Again I am opening Word for you. File, then open class 4 lab activity, selected and then open. Now if I want to print that document, so what I will do is I will click on file, go to print. See, it is showing how your paper will look like when your printout will be taken, when the printout of this file is taken. So now I can click here and then printout will be given by the printer. So in this way I can print my document. I hope you have understood the topic. So open your book and open page number 18 and do this practice time which is given on page number 18.
I hope you have understood the topic. So practice at home. Thank you.